market, you know. No matter where the pattern.
You know, say school them go be a wife the guy school them go, you know.
Ain't get to school already?
I mean, do you think me wrong?
Thanks be to God, man.
They in a school before me left Jamaica.
That's good.
Me say they in a school. For me they at Jamaica, then in a school. For then at Jamaica, them birth certificate they are foreign before we.
Man, that's good.
I'm sure what me I do.
Bully over. Nobody can bully me. She's a bad girl.
People, anybody coming up, just remember that if you get your kids in school, make sure they get fully immunized.
Yeah.
That's all. Just get them fully immunized. Go to the health center, get them fully immunized, and you take them up here. It's easy for them to get in school.
Yeah, because it's through COVID, I wish it's never fully, somebody just go fully him up.
Come on. 1, 2.
Yeah.
O'Neil.
I went on a couple. They must go get out the shots.
Me there, man, what go on?
No about them green
me there one place from tall, so I'm building a taller than me.
Oh, you're in New York?
Cause me not understand me there Jamaica me taller than the building, them and them a building a taller than me. I don't know what can I sit in this master.
It's also true.
And so some big elevator road will go so.
Hey, baby.
Yo, Mr. Me pass one place in LA. I know me drive on LA road. LA something? Yeah. California, LA, or something?
Last time, yes.
Yeah, me say. I 20 road on top of road. Me say watch your out and drop on me. Yo. Me say I say so much road that. Me say I say road the top of one of that so. No, sir. Nah, don't lie still. Yesterday morning, me lie down right there some. And me get up and me want to say for gym because me tell the truth, some people must feel like a joke I make, but and a joke me make people, me get up people and it's like when me get up, it's like to me it's like a gym. Some me the American never it's like me say chum, Jesus Christ, a gym. And me have to get up and stand up good. And me look through the window. And me have to say myself, a gym. So me say to myself, say, yo, I saw your gym so long.
This one? You want to wear this?
You know them wear it? I'm Mr. Alright then. Mr. Alright then, me get up and go out the door. I get up and go out the door. I'm going to light up a sleep and Mr. Alright then, me not on a gym. So come say you're alright king, you're the America then. Cause to me it's like a gym, you know. I swear.
That's why sometimes I don't understand how some people say, oh, when you're in Jamaica, you can't read properly, you can't write properly, you can't do certain things, your life done. All you need is somebody, you see, for years of trying, man, and years a man will have a woman running and take care of woman and make woman know, say, everything have all right when you reach together.
Exactly.
You have all right, you know, because as long as you have a woman by your side where the woman educated and the woman can do certain things and you take care of that the woman there and you treat that the woman there with love, that the woman and I left your brother and you go through anything together. That's why me happy fool and me glad to reach this part to reach because at the end of the day enough people don't know the story and they don't understand how big of it. Me see how somebody come and say going to America is not an achievement. What did they achieve? Why is everybody saying congrats? I see it now in comment section.
I read all the comment last night.
I will load us, my dear, because you see when you don't, and I said this to Jelani the other day, you cannot know the value of a car, king, until you buy a car yourself.
Exactly.
A person will let them carry you, drive the car any hour, mash it up, crash it. Police stop you, give you much ticket, take it from you, and it doesn't bother you because what? You are not the one that is going to spend back on the car. You never buy it in the first place. You don't know the value. So you see when you mash it up and left it on the other person and feed them, it alone and hurt them. That's why sometimes in life when people just be haggish to other people and treat them fuck up and just don't care how a person will feel about certain situations, you cannot blame them because some people do not understand what a man go through in life, he get what they get, or go through in life, he have what they have. So in a life, we have to be grateful. Any little thing you get from a person, you have to be grateful.
Thank you, woman.
You share right now, the both of them have to be grateful for each other because you is a man.